All right. Mrs. Otter in the house. How's it going, Mrs. Otter? Yeah, girl. How you all doing? Alex Crypto here. Shout out to you guys coming live at you. I got off early, so I figured I'd start the stream early. Hope you're all doing well. Okay, look. Bitcoin's moving. It's a miracle. It's alive. It's going up. Okay. Let's not get too excited now. Hope you're all doing well. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Much love. Join us in the free Discord if you haven't already. We have had the trade set up, and we may be in a short right now. Okay, we're looking for a rejection here. So what I got to say? What do I have to say? Well, looking at here, we start at the 2-day. Okay, we're going to start at the 2-day today with the market cipher. We can see we got the beautiful green dot we were talking about the other day. Okay. Also, 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, weekly, bearish looking. Okay, very bearish looking, curving down, red dot, money flow in the red. Okay, very bearish looking. 4-day, 5-day, 3-day, curving down, VWAP below the zero line. Curving down, pushing below the zero line on the 4-day. 3-day, very similar story. Might be curving up here. Money flow is still in the green on 3-day, but look for it to hump over. Okay. Hump over and come down. Okay, so we're looking at short-term pumpage. Okay, in my opinion right now, we're looking at short-term pumpage. Now, what do we see? We have some price levels for you guys. We have some targets for you guys. And we also have some special stuff about ETH, ADA, XRP, okay? And we'll get into that after we do the Bitcoin analysis, because I know a lot of people just come here, get the Bitcoin, get the levels, add them to their charts, and they saw it off, okay? So we just want to get you guys that information as quick as possible, see what has changed. We've pumped up to a key level of resistance here. If we pull the volume across, even on the 2-day, we can see that we are coming up to a high volume node. We are being stagnant right now. Okay, can it pop off? We were talking about a bull div the other day on the 3-hour. We'll identify that again for you guys just so you can see it, and then we'll get into that. So now flipping through, we had a very flat weekend. Okay, we had undecided territory, red green. Okay, very undecided. Looks like we're flagging out here. However you guys want to draw it, okay? If you guys like drawing, I like drawing, you know what I mean? So maybe we can go with some sort of, symmetrical triangle thingy. We can go with a flag. There's a whole bunch of things. We could be breaking out of this flag. We could be bear flagging. There's a bunch of patterns. If you want to draw them, go right ahead. We can see we got this flag coming down from this move. Okay, there's a bunch of things going on here, right? If you want to get into the drawings, okay? But right now, I'm not really interested in the drawings. I know that we have the head and shoulders here. Okay, beautiful. 1, 2, 3, right? And we're looking for this neckline to be retested here and pop down, okay? Now, it seems to be flagging out here and doing its own thing, kind of making a head and shoulders, a mini head and shoulders within the head and shoulders, okay? It's all fine and dandy, but it's been flat, okay? It's been very flat, very hard to trade range. Not much trade. I think I took one trade within this whole range. So we're just being patient right now, and we're waiting for price to come to us. Like I said, short-term pumpage it looks like right now, and then a continuation to the downside on the longer-term time frames, okay? Be very careful here. Double top, bringing us down. Steep down move. Only healthy for it to stay at least sideways and then continue its way down. We have the debt ceiling looming. We have all these things looming. Let's go over and check out the macro environment. Okay, thank you guys for being here. We got 3% true inflation. So true inflation has come down recently, but we did get a spike here. We're up to 19.9%. So 20% chance of a Fed rate hike. And I think there was some news about that someone was saying we should hike. So yeah, it's gone down. Over here, it's at 80% now that we don't hike. Okay, so this is very important things. Watching that for June 14th, but mostly we're watching for this Fed ceiling, debt ceiling. Are they going to come to an agreement? June 1st, they're supposed to be running out of money, so we'll be very, very aware of that. Now, what else can we do? We can go over here and we can look at the economic calendar. Make sure to add the economic calendar to your favorites, and always take a look here. We can see at the end of the week, we have some reports. Okay, we have very, very good reports here Friday, and all that stuff. So end of the week, it looks like we're gonna have a little bit more volatility. So we'll be waiting for that. So I hope that helps you be prepared for volatility Wednesday and onward. Okay, so I hope you guys are all having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Monday. It's Tuesday here in Australia. One thing I am watching quite closely. Okay, let's pull it up here. Let's hold control. We can see that there is sort of like a downtrend kind of thingy going on here. Now this might be the be all end all. Okay, you can pull it out to here, but I think it's more like around here. And we can watch this trend line as well to see if price does work its way up and get rejected off of this trend line. It could even come up higher somewhere around here. And what's around here? Well, we have a very key level of resistance, okay? Very key level of resistance above us here if we do get this short-term move up. So we need to watch this trend line for a reaction in price. Okay, we're going to watch that trend line for a reaction in price. What do we mean by that? So let's pull up our TA. We got some levels here. And this is why we're trying a little bit of a scalp short here. We are in a little mini short trade right here. We had given this level in advance. Prices, here's your prices. Wada bing, wada boom. You got them. I got them for you. Okay, so looking for prices to have a reaction here. Also, the point of control here at 28,000 is very, very key to go alongside with the golden pocket here at 28,400. I'm going to keep on repeating this until it's drilled into your head. So we're looking for a reaction price up there. We also have a CME gap up at 29,000, but I don't think we get there just yet. Okay, not just yet. So we need to be patient here. We need to see what this week will bring for us and go from there. Down to the 4 hour. Look at this. It looks like a Christmas tree here with the blue triangle reversal triangle. So can we get a reversal push back down? We had the same sort of thing that printed over here. Can it rhyme? Can it push back down? We'll have to wait and see. We have a short in here right now with a very, very, very tight stop loss. You know what I mean? Just to be targeting the bottom of this range and possibly down to 25.2, where we do have a big, huge volume hole where price can fall through quite rapidly if this 26,000 level is lost. Look for us to head all the way to 25.2, and that would be our next level of support. Okay, so we're in a trade right now. We'll see how it works out. Who knows? Could just keep pumping up, but we're trying to put the probabilities in our favor, and obviously we're trading our TA, right? We're waiting for price to come up here and have a reaction. So what kind of reaction can we see? Well, we can see as we flip in through here, right? We got this bull divs, okay? This bull divs right here. You can see the higher low to the lower high, right? So you can see here at the back end that it's going beautifully downwards and upwards, right? So you can see the bull div. That has brought us up quite nicely here. Now, can we get rejected, right? That's what we're looking as well. So if this does happen to print up higher, we can look for a continuation to the downside here of a rollover, very oversold, and a continuation downwards. Okay, that's what we're kind of looking for here. We got some volatility, so we're taking a trade. 1 hour red dot, okay? Could be bearish, right? We've curled over, looking to test the zero line. Can it get rejected and sent back down? That is something to keep an eye on, okay? Very important to keep an eye on these things and watch Bitcoin for a reaction at this level. You can always pull a volume node across here, and you can see that we are at the value area high and possibly could get rejected from here and come back down to this POC. Very simple, easy trading strategy that can help you guys get profits over time. So right now we're looking for a reaction for it to come down. If it does pop off, right, and it does pop up, look for a retrace, right? We pull this fib here and we can look for a retrace. Look at that golden pocket right at the point of control. Okay, we'll look for something like that. If it wants to continue upwards, you can see it here. Can it come somewhere around here? Maybe the 0.5 will be a better idea, around 27,000, and continue its way upwards. Okay, so we're gonna keep a close eye on the Bitcoin price action. right now, but it is moving. So, like, beggars can't be choosers. It's moving. I'm happy. Aren't you happy? I hope you're happy because you know what? You're here with me. So thank you guys so much for your love, your support, and all that good stuff. You guys really make me so happy. So thank you very much for all your support. I appreciate you guys quite dearly, okay? Quite dearly. You guys are awesome. Best guys ever. Look at this, higher highs, lower lows. A bit of a bear div here can bring us down on the 7 minute, right? So there's things to be found here. Wick exhaustion looks like it's going to push down here. VWAP has reset, stays above it. Let's see what the EMAs are saying. We got it crossing over the 21 on the 7, and then the 50 is creeping its way up. Let's see what the 5 minute EMAs are saying. Maybe they'll give us a little bit of a telltale. Yeah, looks like we're trying to get under it and flip it to resistance rather than support on the EMAs. 18 minute 200 moving averages down here. Okay, so yeah, look for us to come back and retest these at least, right? VWAP's down here as well on the longer term. Longer term, I'm meaning like longer term in the scalping sense. Okay, so we're going to watch that as well to see if we get a bounce and continuation here. And note that up here at the POC at 28,000 is our next level of resistance where we'll look for a reaction if we continue on our merry way upwards. Okay, awesome. So going over the S&P Confluence, we've made a higher high over this range. We're looking for the S&P to get rejected and work its way back down to this 40, 47 area, and then eventually back to this trend line here, the dreaded area down below. Okay, so yes, it's been respected. Yes, this is a key level of support. We have broken out. We have made higher lows, looking to continue its merry way up, but look for the retrace right now in the near distant week, okay, for this to come back down, work its way back down now that it's putting a higher high from this previous high. So let's watch that as well. Dixie, we're looking for Dixie to reset, okay? Dixie has come back down, reset, okay? So we're looking for this. It's come up. We're looking for a reset and then a pump back upwards, okay? So yes, it has had quite the significant pump with the move down, and now we can see that it's moved down and looking to come back up. So we'll be watching this closely in the next couple days. Ethereum, we gave this level in advance, 1866 yesterday. So look, it's come up, it's hit it. Look at that, beautiful entry as well, 1% already up, okay? So just simple volume profiles here. Look for it to work its way back down, at least to this middle point at 1814. We'll horizontal that for you guys and look for a target here, and we'll throw the short trade up just to see what happens with this in the near future, okay? Darren does sing, what's up? Think I'm the only one here. What's up, bro? Guess what? Just went short. Yeah, I'm in a short too, DDT. My man. Only one here. Mad support. Much love. That's all I need, man. This will get to everybody else. I mean, we're in Australia. We don't expect to hit everybody because, you know, we're on the other side of the world. On Mars, basically. Hopefully we can catch more people when we move back to Canada. But, I mean, people will still get the updates, so it's okay. How you doing, man? Hope you're doing well. Much love. We had this set up in advance, right? Look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is curling over. Whew, 350, 349. Let's drop it like it's hot. It failed to get above here. Guess what? We're in a short too. Oh, you did the 420 short. Oh, look at you. Oh, it's the 420 short, man. You're dangerous, dangerous man. That marijuana short trade from 27.420. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, we also gave this in advance too. We got the 37. It did not make it all the way up here on ADA, so look for it to come back and retrace as well. Okay, ADA is looking a lot more healthy ever since breaking out of this downtrend, continuing sideways and retesting and pumping up. Okay, so we'll look for ADA to come back and retest this 35 cent area. Okay, short term, long term, hopefully. But when we look at market Cipher, what do we see? We see a green dot on the daily. Yeah, short term bullish, but long term, the bears I think are in control right now. So we'll have to wait and see what perspires with ADA. Perspires. We'll use that word today. Trade setup given in advance, 47.51 on XRP. it came back up. We could have gotten into another entry here. But yes, it's come up to this trend line, flagging out, continuation. We can see here. Let's make sound effects. We can see we're in a channel here. Beautiful, beautiful channel. XRP downwards channel. At the top of the channel, shorting opportunity, possibility for XRP. Some bullish news for XRP. Mark it in your calendar. June 14th. They released some court thing. June 14th. Earliest, like 7 a.m. in the UK. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mrs. Otter's from the UK, so she would know that. She would definitely know that. She'll be in the UK. She'd be traveling to visit her family soon. When we go back to Canada. Just after we go back to Canada. So, beautiful, 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 beautiful thing. Now, what did I want to check here? There was something I wanted to check for you guys. One more thing before I sign off and go and hang out with Mrs. Otter. What was it? Oh, CMEs. That's the one. CMEs. Did we get any CME gaps over the weekend? Shoo. Let's see. I don't know if this is a gap. Is this a gap, Darren? This isn't a gap. Look at that. It's so small. It's so small. Okay. We're not going to call that a gap. We're going to call that a blip. There's a little blip in the chart here from this pump. Nothing too significant for a CME gap, okay? Nothing too significant. We'll horizontal this, even though we think we're going to come back down. So flagging out, bearish div, looking to come down. That's my opinion on Bitcoin right now. Look at this. We're curling over. Can we come back down and retest these EMAs, the VWAP? One thing I have been looking at recently, and I'm going to make a video on this, is the anchored VWAP tool, okay? I don't know if any of you guys use the anchored VWAP tool, but come on, man. It's pretty sick. It's pretty sick. So, anchored VWAP tool. You go over here on this beautiful, beautiful trend line arrow, all this good stuff. You go down to the bottom. Anchored VWAP down here, right? Add it to your favorites, okay? Now, you want to take the most dramatic move, okay? You pull, see this dramatic downwards move. I'm going to pull it off of here. Bang. Anchored VWAP it is, right? I'll take off all this other stuff so you can see it. And take off my EMA. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Bang, bang. Ooh, could this be support now? So you can use this tool in many situations to help you find support and resistance throughout a trend. Look at this. Bang, it hit. Bang, it hit. And all you do is place it on one of the dramatic volume moves. Now, I like to use it in congruence with volume. Okay, so you go here. You get rid of your market cipher B. You look for volume. Okay, let's take it and let's put it. Look at this big spike of volume. Let's put it here. Let's see what happens. Oh, my God. Look at that. Look at that. Magic. Okay, so try out the anchored VWAP tool. That might help you guys find some support, resistance, some key levels, and hopefully helps you out. Nomad Dad, what's up, my brother? Hey, bro, could you take a look at Engine when you get to the alts? Of course, my friend. Of course, I'll do that right now for you because I'm about to finish up. So we'll do that now. Let's go to Engine. Engine number one. I want to look at Engine now. Hey, DDT. Just us here today. Yeah, my guys, man. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate you. Just trying to get it out so that all the people can get the update as it comes out. Okay, what do I see here on the daily? Well, obviously, green dot curving over. Money flow in the green. Massive pump up. We're going to pull a trend line from down here. Let's go from the bottom of this wick all the way up. Look for this to support. Let's look at the EMAs. Oof, we're crossing over. Okay, let's pull volume from here. Let's pull it from this move. Let's see what we got here. Engine number one. Turn off the EMAs. Wow. Okay. Value area low. I mean, right now, it's basically like support and resistance is all I can see. So we got support, we got resistance, and we have resistance. And I would look to be trading within these levels. You have some key levels in between here. You're very much oversold. Let's go to the weekly. Let's see where you're at on the weekly. No data. 5-day coming down. 4-day coming down. Okay, so it looks bearish on the longer term time frames, just like Bitcoin. We did have this little push back, okay? Push back, but you could be topping out right now. Let's go into the 4 hour. Let's see where we could find a possible retrace Fibonacci zone. Let's pull that out. What do we got here? Okay. So we're bouncing off the 0.5. Now we're bouncing up. What do we got there? So let's see there. We're crossing. We're dumping. Look at that. Make sure you set your alarms. Make sure you set your alarms so that you can get those profits. That's the one. That's the one. Let's check. Let's check. What are we up? Let's check what we're up right now. I'm going to check my Bybit. Hope you're all doing well. I'm checking the Bybit. What are you up? I'm up 17%, my friends. Whew. Don't forget to join us in the Discord. We up 17%. How you coming on with that dam collapse? But we salvaged 75% of our crops. Look at this, beautiful. I hope you're doing well, friends in the Discord. Banks AJ, much love, my friend. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here. We're out here. We're updating. Very, very good. Not done with your engine. Yeah, so it looks like we're in a clear downtrend here. Definitely want to watch. Watch for this to hold. I mean, for something like this, you want to do support and resistance. I think your next low would definitely be somewhere down here, right? If you watch this trend line, like we just showed you, right? Your next low would be at that 5.8, right? And then you have your key resistance coming up. So I'd definitely be watching engine for that. If we pull this across and we pull an anchored VWAP, let's see if we can pull an anchored VWAP somewhere around here. Yeah, it's very, very choppy, right? It's very choppy. Obviously, you're getting big moves, like 13%, massive move, right? So look for it to reject off of this trend line. Also look for this point of control to be your key ceiling, around $8, I guess. Yeah, $8 would be your key ceiling. And then you've clearly bounced off of this top. So I'd be looking to trade within this range. Your accumulation zone is definitely anything under this 5.8, right? You got a big, big level to the downside here. So you can simply just pull the volume and go all the way back, right? Your next stop is right in here, right? This is your main stop, right? So if you do head downwards, you're looking at 450 or 460 down here, right? That's your next stop. If you lose this level here at 580. So I hope that helps you with engine. INJ in the place to be. Doing good, bro. Not seeing you in the Discord for a bit. Yeah, Nomad Dad, man. It's good to see you around, my brother. DDT, thank you always for your support. Always here, always supporting. My man, much love to you guys. Thank you for your support. So I hope that helps you. Looking over at Bitcoin, we're getting a little bit of a rejection here. You can see we got like some sort of head and shoulders funky pattern going on here. So we'll see what perspires. I don't know why I keep saying perspires from this next coming day / hours. But overall, market cipher, it looks like it's curling over here, right? On the 1 hour, we got the red dot. Has it confirmed yet? No, we still got 20 minutes for that confirmation. But if we go over to the 45, I'm sure it's confirmed. Yes, it is. Okay, so we have confirmation red dot on the 45. Volumes picked back up. Yes, we had the push, but we still getting a little bit more volume than we did over here. Okay, so it still looks like it has a move down to the downside, possibly to challenge the VWAP and this moving average here. So I hope that helps. Anything for the viewers. Thank you so much, Nomad Dad, for being here. Appreciate you, bro. Good to see you around, man. It's been a while, so hope you're doing well. Yeah, I've been looking for a bounce off the 0.5. Simply keep it simple, stupid, as they say. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. And hopefully this helps you guys. But yeah, in the next bit, we'll be watching this range here. We're bouncing off the value area high. Hopefully we can drop down here, hit the POC, and maybe curl over, and we'll see what happens, right? So I hope that helps you guys. Hope you all protect yourself before you wreck yourself, because, you know, we're out here trying our best. It's been very sideways movement, so be safe out there. Protect yourselves. Much love to every single one of you. I'm going to go and hang out with the missus. God bless you guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye. Mrs. Otter, are we having a pizza for dinner? Pizza. Pizza. Meat pizza or pineapple on the pizza? You know, it's Bitcoin Pizza Day. Did you know that? That's the day when someone bought pizza with Bitcoin for the first time. We're educating. Yeah. So we're going to have pizza on Bitcoin Pizza Day. And you wanted pizza. This is not this wasn't deliberate. We're just going to have pizza. Thanks, DDT. Much love, Nomad. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.